Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of vector analysis from paper 1. Question is given: if the volume of parallelepiped whose adjacent edges are given by a vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and b vector second I cap plus alpha j cap plus 2k cap and c vector is given by I cap plus 2j cap plus alpha k cap and the volume of parallelepiped is given by 15, then we have to find the value of alpha. Volume of parallelepiped is given by a scalar dot product with ABC, vector A, B and vector C. And we can also write this is vector A dot B vector into C vector. So we have to writing, and volume of parallelepiped is given by volume of is 15, and we have to writing here volume of parallelepiped is 15 and the formula is given by scalar triple product of ABC, and this is given by determinant of a vector. This is represented as this is 2i cap plus of 3j cap, this is 3j cap plus 4k cap. Similarly for v vector, this is given by I cap plus alpha. We can remove here cap here once again. We have to writing here 2, 3, 4 the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. Similarly for v vector, the coefficient of I is 1, coefficient of j cap is alpha, coefficient of k cap is 2. Similarly for c vector, coefficient of I cap is 1 and coefficient of j cap is 2 and coefficient of k cap is alpha. Comparing the given vector with the form of a vector is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus of a3 k cap, and further we have to solving the given determinant here, taking the first row. This is R1 R2 row, this is column. Taking the first column 2, once again we have to solving with respect to first to this column and this row is removed. Operation between these, this is alpha square minus of 4, alpha square minus of 4. Similarly for 3 second column, this is minus of 3, and taking this row is and this is eliminated. Operation between this, alpha minus of 2. Similarly for third column, plus of 4, and this is removed. Operation between is 2 minus of alpha, and solving we get here 15 is equal to 2 alpha square minus of 8 and minus of 3 alpha plus of 6 plus of 8 minus of 4 alpha. We have to solving, we get here once again 2 alpha square, and we have to write in 2 alpha square and minus of 3 alpha minus of 4 alpha. This is minus of 7 alpha minus of 8 plus of 8, this is cancel out, and plus of 6, here is 15, and we have to writing here 2 alpha square minus of 7 alpha plus of 6 minus of 15 is equal to 0. And from here we can also 2 alpha square minus of 7 alpha, and 6 minus of 15, this is minus of 9 is equal to 0. We have to take a factor. Take a factor here. This is 2 alpha square minus of 1 second, 7 and 2 are 18. 2 alpha square 7 alpha minus of 9. 2 alpha square minus of 7 alpha. 9 2s are, we have to write it here, 9 alpha minus of 2 alpha minus of 9 is equal to 0. And here we have to take plus, and taking common from here, alpha is taking common, this is 2 alpha minus of 9, and here is 1 is taking common, this gives 2 alpha minus of 9 is equal to 0. And from here we get here alpha plus 1 is equal to 0, and 2 alpha minus of 9 is equal to 0. We get here alpha is equal to minus of 1, first value is, and the second value is 2 alpha is equal to 9. We get here alpha is equal to 9 by 2. And from the option alpha is equal to 9 by 2, option C is the correct answer. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.